In this video, I'm going to show you the 10 highest paying side hustles you can do from home, starting with the one that pays you $80K per year for watching TV and ending with the side hustle that made me over $500,000. The first side hustle will certainly blow your mind because you will be paid $70,000 to $80,000 per year for watching Netflix. And although that may sound hard to believe, Netflix currently employs thousands of people at this position all over the world, and as hundreds of new movies and shows come out every day, they'll need more people to watch and tag them. What do you mean by tag them, Logan? Well, the job title for watching Netflix is a tagger, because after you finish watching the movie or show, you will need to add category, genre, and rating tags to the content. Which means if I watched a horror movie that is suspenseful and has an evil Santa Claus, I would tag the genre as horror and suspense. Then for the subgenres, it could be Christmas because Santa Claus is the main character, and maybe another subgenre would be love if there was a love story throughout the plot of the movie. Then the last thing you would need to do is rate its maturity level. Like in this example, it would be 17 plus rated R because Santa Claus was biting off baby heads or whatever happened in the movie. So if you were hired, your daily task would be to watch new movies and shows, take notes on what they're about, then tag them with the correct info so Netflix can categorize them correctly. To get hired as a tagger, you need to apply at the official Netflix careers website, then take a test where you have to tag tons of shows and movies with their correct ratings and genres to get hired. So if you only like action movies or horror movies, this job isn't for you. You need to have decent knowledge of all genres to be paid the $70,000 to $80,000 per year, but who cares about $70,000 to $80,000 per year when the next side hustle can pay double that? Side hustle 2, Fiverr freelancing. Fiverr is a freelance website that connects people who need work done with people who can do it. It's a great way to make money online in your spare time because you can set your own rates and hours, and it's very possible for a beginner to scale from thousands of dollars per year to hundreds of thousands. So regardless if you're skilled in video editing, creating softwares, piano, writing scripts, or literally anything else, people will pay for it on Fiverr. Like this dude makes 6 figures per year from making pets sing happy birthday. This girl's full-time career is dancing the songs you send her, and Fruit Man will say whatever you want if you pay him.
What's up? It's your boy Fruit Man here, telling you to subscribe Logan's Key Finance on YouTube. He makes the best finance videos, and spend $5 to prove you can make money on Fiverr. Hit that button or I will squeeze these fruits on your eyes.
You see what I mean? People are literally making full-time careers from some of the stupidest things possible. So if you actually provide a valuable skill, Fiverr could easily become your full-time career in a few months. Like say you're a video editor who charges $200 per YouTube video, you only need 10 clients per month to make $2,000. And some of these one-time jobs could easily turn into you getting hired by a YouTuber for 6 figures per year for just editing their short and long form content. Plus, you could still do Fiverr on the side of that. That's awesome, Logan, but how will we get customers when we start if we have no proof of past work? Well, the best way to start off on Fiverr is by offering your service at a massive discount so clients are shell-shocked at how good you are and they leave tons of incredible 5-star reviews. Then once you have, say, 10 to 15 great reviews, you would change the price to what your work is actually valued at, and Fiverr will promote your listing to people who need your service. Plus, Fiverr is available for anyone over the age of 13. So if you're a young gun watching this, this is probably the best side hustle for you to start. Well, besides maybe the last side hustle, I know a few young teens making over $200,000 per year doing that. Side hustle 3, online tutoring. There's 2 ways to make money tutoring online. One being the traditional way of you helping a school student get better at a specific subject, which can make you anywhere from $15 to $60 per hour depending on how advanced the knowledge is, and 2 being the way which allows you to make over $10,000 per hour if you have valuable info, aka consultation. Consultation is one of the biggest stepping stones for business owners to acquire the correct knowledge to go from making $100K per year to $1 million to $100 million. So of course they will pay a lot for it. Just like how people pay ridiculous amounts of money for therapists, organic health experts, and any other person that can provide life-changing information. So if you are extremely good at something that people would love to know, you can make unlimited money from consulting calls. Like say you're a pro skateboarder, you could easily sell calls for $50 to $100 per hour to teach newbies the secrets to certain tricks. If you're an investor, you could teach trading strategies for $500 per hour. You get the point. If you have valuable knowledge that can enhance people's lives, you can sell it for a high price. And the best way to get clients to pay for that knowledge is by creating social media accounts about it, listing it on Fiverr, or running paid ads like those scammy day traders do. And speaking of day trading, that is side hustle number 4. Day trading is when you buy and sell a stock within the same trading day in hopes you profit from market moves. AKA you make money when you correctly predict if the stock will increase or decrease in value. It's super simple to understand but very difficult to do successfully. So instead of me making this video 10 hours long and teaching y'all how to day trade, I will show you how to get a guaranteed $50+ in free stocks right now. How it works is investing apps want new members, so they give everyone who signs up free money in stocks. There's about 50 apps that do this, but it only works if you have the special sign up links. So I compiled the 4 best ones I could find in my description, so it's very easy for y'all to get the most money possible. The first one is Webull. Webull is giving all new members who deposit 1 penny or more $34 guaranteed in free stocks with a chance of getting up to $30,400. So that's an easy 1 cent turned into $34. Robinhood is giving all new members who deposit $1 a few free stocks worth $600 to $300. Coinbase is giving all new members $10 in free Bitcoin, and Moomoo is giving away up to $12,600 in free stocks when you deposit $1 or more. So in total, you're guaranteed over $50 for taking a few minutes and signing up for all those apps in my description if you're over 18. And yes, you can sell the stocks for money and transfer the money to your bank account as soon as you wish. Side hustle 5, drop servicing. Drop servicing is very similar to the world's favorite side hustle, drop shipping, but instead of reselling other people's products on your own store, you resell other people's services as your own. For example, say you want to create a business where you make logos for companies, but you have no clue how to make logos. What you would do is create a website or even a social media page advertising you make logos, then reach out to companies, or if companies reach out to you who need a logo created, and once you lock in a deal with them, you would find a freelancer on a website like Upwork or Fiverr and have the freelancer do the work for you. Let's say the company was paying $1,000 for the logo and the freelancer charges $50 per logo. That means you make $950 for doing nothing but being the middleman. And I know that sounds crazy that you would get 95% of the profit for doing none of the work, but that happens thousands of times every day and everyone involved is happy. The freelancer is hyped to make logos for the same price he always does. The company is stoked because they get a great new logo, and you're ecstatic because you just made $950 for connecting them. It's a win-win situation, and the only real flaw about this business model is the communication delay. So if you do pursue this side hustle, make sure to have your email notifications on so you can deliver information as fast as possible. Side hustle 6, content creation. Social media influencers are rapidly becoming the next wave of celebrities, and with that comes unreal amounts of money. We get paid by companies to promote their products. The platforms we post on pay us for getting them views. We can make loads of money by selling our own products or courses. Brands will pay us to make UGC content for them, and that's just the tip of the iceberg, the profit as an influencer. So if you haven't started building your online brand yet, you better start now. Attention is literally the most valuable currency on the planet, and it's never been more obtainable. The rise of short form content has allowed anyone with a phone and 0 followers to become a millionaire public figure in months. So if you're serious about achieving success on social media, you can watch my How to Gain 100K Followers in 24 Hours tutorial right here after this video. And for now, here's the general blueprint. Pick a niche, make short form content on TikTok for that niche, repost that content on all other short form platforms. Then once you get followers, funnel them to a long form content platform like YouTube, then start monetizing. And now for side hustle 10, which is how I made over $500,000 in a year while only working 1 to 2 hours per day. It's by far the easiest and most profitable side hustle I've ever done, and I teach you exactly how to do it in this video. So watch that right now if you want to learn how to make thousands of dollars per day from your phone. Hit subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and God bless.